I just did some research. Apparently, Sonnet 4.6 on Claude is a lot more better for design and UX, UI, and product development. Opus 4.6 is better for research, deep reasoning, complex programming. That's why when I was using Opus last time on the design, it was not doing a good job and it burned my token. For the next steps, we will continue to use Claude, Sonnet. Okay, so the next one we're going to build is the landing page, which is onboarding page. When the customer, they got into this website, this should be the first thing that they see before a sign up. It will explain to them what this website does and why they should log in and sign up for the website and why they should use it. And we'll ask Claude to build it. Moving forward, I want to try to build things faster so I can ship it faster and get more feedbacks. Let's build the onboarding page. I will give you the maximum freedom and let me know if you need any tool or skill and I will grab that for you. Please use front-end skill and website guideline skill to optimize the design. We'll leave it to Claude to finish this. Claude pull out this front-end design skill documents. This is what's written in this skill documents. It says Claude is capable of extraordinary creative work. Don't hold back. Show what can truly be created when thinking outside of the box and committing fully to a distinctive vision. Today I had this thought to treat Claude like a very, very creative teenager, and all you have to do is give this teenager all the tools and just give it a lot of space and freedom to create, and the end result might surprise you. And this teenager is growing every day and it will become an adult and it can fully be integrated into a lot of the workflow. Claude has finished the landing page. Let's take a look. You're in a world guided by the sky. Track your mood, answer astrology guided prompts, write freely, watch the patterns between your emotions and the cosmos emerge over time. It's pretty good. See today's sky, reflect and write, watch patterns emerge. Everything you need in one quiet screen. Okay. So this is just an image. We can make it more interactive so the user can actually try to use it. It's a pretty good bare minimum landing page, but it's not necessarily the most appealing. I will sit on it and think about what I can change on this. Maybe I'll go look for some inspiration and feed it to Claude. But this is it for now. Like Claude says, made with the cosmos in mind. That's pretty cute. Okay, let's build the setting page. You can look at ShadCM UI and implement UI design from that framework. Loco has built the setting page for me. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's a new button next to sign out. Settings, we have account, email address, cannot be changed. You can update a password. You can delete your account. This is pretty good for basic app structure. And I realized I forgot to do the version control and I'm still building on the Git branch feature-history. We will improve that in the future build. Right now I want to update the feature history and then we'll build on another branch. Can you git added commit to feature-history branch? Push this update to dev. Do not push it to main. And then update on GitHub. Open a new branch called feature-landing page UI. So I already have landing page created, but the next step is to just make the landing page a little bit more interesting. And then we can deploy this website for very, very beta launch. After that, I want to add more components and elements into the website. I saw this website called 21st.dev. Apparently, you can choose different UI components for every single element. You can see you can have the hover effect, sparkle text. I have been spending some time behind the scene to polish the UI of the landing page. First, I want to talk about I have decided for the name of this app. It's called Krono. It's coming from a Greek mythology known as the god of time. So let me show you what it looks like, and we will keep iterating this design as we go. But this is where I want for the launching right now. I have the landing page, and I asked Claude to use ChatCN to build the framework and some of the components. I found this website 21st.dev, and I'll show you how I get this anime effects of the hero background. I was browsing on 21st.dev, and I went to the components of the hero section. You can see there are a lot of different styles and effects and animation for the hero of what I want. And I really like this gradient, kind of like polar light effect. So I just copied the prompt and I fed it to Claude. And when I asked Claude to build this effect for me, so I was searching for a hero underlying colors. And here I can literally change the color of the gradient and how I would like it to be. You can see there are different color combination, and this is the color that I choose. Pretty similar to the original one. If you don't see it, there's animation. And we have a dashboard preview. Right now, this dashboard on the landing page do not exactly copy the dashboard that we have. So this is something I will have to fix later. But so far, this is pretty good for a landing page. And we have a feature explanation, how it works. And then you can see like a little bento style for the planetary weather and mood patterns example. And you can click begin journaling, and then it will take you to create an account and sign in. Right now we have this basic home page for the dashboard, planetary weather, history and mood entry, settings. This is pretty good for what I want for the first stage, and I am ready to ship this. Next step, I would like to deploy it and set up a production and a customer-facing database. So we can have a production database just for the development environment, and then we will have a customer-facing database to store the customer's actual data. Let me know how you think, and any feedback is welcomed.